All right, so our team was looking at the root cause analysis processes that exist within each of our organizations, the challenges that existed and do exist in our processes, and also some of the opportunities and standards that we leverage and they're common amongst our teams. What we found was we do all kind of go through the same process of intake and triage. We end up with a great list of problems that we need to tackle. But some of the challenges come through standardization of data, and there are a few of us that have extensive lists of failure codes and options to choose from, and a lot of the time the data quality suffers because of that. And that's because many people like to choose the other category. They don't want to search through the list. It's just a lot of information to mine, and it starts to lose its value. Some of the challenges that we did identify was just a lot of effort required in closing the loop, recognition of the resources that are tied up, so they take away from our day-to-day capacity in order to undertake a formal program to allow us to effectively problem solve and then mitigate future risk. So with that, the exercise is about risk management. We want to make sure that when we're managing the risk that's at hand, as well as managing future risks and mitigating those, as well as not introducing new risks as we're going through the process of remedying issues. Another issue here that we identified, or not an issue, but another challenge, was training and how we align our teams with the training that's applicable to their troubleshooting activities. Whether it's the frontline work that needs to be, that has the quick wins or the quick fixes, or the more intensive or in-depth analysis that needs to be done. It's really standardizing the approach so that we don't get certain problems that are defined as pump broke, or others that have a little bit more detail on it, as there's a loss of head pressure, or basically we've got a loss of process downstream, and it's not all pumps, just more detail and what the expectations are when we're identifying problems, as well as then leading that to a standardized process for resolving them and identifying what caused them. And then the last one was also communication throughout processes. And it's not really the troubleshooting, but if we have scheduled work and events, just some of the canned processes or the canned fixes that may be in place that folks can implement or execute when an event has taken place, and communicating that this is available, this is what you can use to resolve the issue. As well as also senior leadership seeing the value in adopting formal programs, and again committing resources to this type of a process.